Do things slow every team down? People who can't access what they need, and endless tab hopping between WhatsApp and HubSpot. Eazybe brings clean access control and instant app switching right into HubSpot, so your team gets exactly the permissions they need and never loses their place. As a super admin, click the gear icon to open settings, then Users and Teams. Find the person, hit Edit Permissions, and switch on File Permissions and App Marketplace Permissions. That's all Eazybe needs to back up chats and sync your CRM. Now the fun part. Move between apps without breaking flow. In any chat, click Go to HubSpot beside the contact's name to jump straight to their record. And from HubSpot, click Go back to WhatsApp to land right back in the conversation. So your team gets the right access on day one and moves between WhatsApp and HubSpot in a single click. Set it up today and keep everyone in their flow.